Washington, D.C. is more than the capital of the United States. It is a living stage where history, power, and culture meet. Designed by Pierre L'Enfant with grand avenues and ceremonial spaces, the city's layout reflects purpose and symbolism. At its heart stands the U.S. Capitol, where Congress shapes national law while the White House anchors the executive branch. The Supreme Court completes the constitutional triangle, embodying judicial authority. Monuments define the skyline. The Washington Monument rises in quiet tribute to the nation's first president, and the Lincoln Memorial echoes with the words that shaped civil rights history. Along the National Mall, marble and granite tell stories of sacrifice and unity. Smithsonian museums, free and world-renowned, celebrate science, art, aviation, and African-American history, making knowledge part of daily civic life. Washington's people are as diverse as its diplomacy. Diplomats, policymakers, entrepreneurs, students, and artists create a global atmosphere across neighborhoods like Georgetown, Capitol Hill, and Adams Morgan. Tradition blends with innovation. Cherry blossoms each spring symbolize renewal, while policy debates shape global markets. Beyond government, the economy thrives on law, consulting, defense, technology, nonprofits, and finance. Think tanks and institutions influence decisions felt worldwide. Washington, D.C. sits along the banks of the Potomac River, bordered by Maryland and Virginia, a purpose-built capital chosen to balance North and South. Founded in 1790 and designed by Pierre Charles L'Enfant, the city rose from marshland into the political heart of the United States. Its geography, broad avenues, symbolic sightlines, and elevated terraces reflects power and vision. The White House has housed every U.S. president since John Adams, serving as both residence and command center through defining moments in history. From Abraham Lincoln guiding the nation through the Civil War, to Franklin D. Roosevelt during World War II, to modern administrations shaping global policy, decisions made here have echoed across continents. Capitol Hill stands opposite, home to Congress, where debates over war, civil rights, economic reform, and foreign policy shape the republic. Washington has witnessed the impact of wars, from the War of 1812, when British forces burned the city, to strategy rooms coordinating global conflicts. Monuments to veterans line the National Mall, honoring sacrifice from World War II to Vietnam and beyond. International relations define daily life here. Known figures, presidents, Supreme Court justices, civil rights leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. have left indelible marks on its legacy.